So first, how to draw the R? Okay. So this is, we give the numbering. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So first we draw the R. Okay. So and here this is the middle box will be the 4. Okay. So what we'll do up to this 4 block, okay, and up to this join with 4. Then I draw the curve later. First we draw the straight line. After the middle point of this block, so this is the R. Next we do the S. Okay. So this is 1. Here there will be curve. Here there will be curve. Up to this. Now here also here another curve. This one. So there will be another curve. Then here also another curve. Here also another curve. This one. Then this one. Similarly, this one and this one. I draw the line. So in this way you get the S. Then Y. So for Y you have to draw the X first. Okay. So so this is the, you just draw the X. Similar to K. In K we get from the starting from the gap, but for X we don't require this, from the 1 number of block to the 4 number of block. We just So first you draw to this. Now in this point draw the vertical line. This is the way. Now we do the Z. Okay. So this is Z dash Y. Okay, and also R. So now second part is with 7:5 ratio for M and W. Okay. Now for M and W, we take this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Deeper actually. They are only right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Similarly, here also write 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. So first we draw the M, because here it is given the height to E ratio 7:5. So in 5, middle block will be the 3. So just here draw a line, and you just here draw another line, here draw another line. Okay. Now first what we'll do, from this point we join this first. Okay, and from 5 upper 5 block we join this. Okay, now we draw. So first this will be this one. And red color will be the dark. So this is the M. Here now we do the W. Again gap one block, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. First here this is one number of block, then 3, then 5. You just draw the line. Here this is draw 2 and 4. Okay. So first what we do, we join 1 with 2. Join 1 with dot 2. Similarly join 3 with 4 first. Yeah. Then second case, join 2 with 3, 2 with 3 and 5 with 4. Now join. So first join this part, okay, and up to the intersection point. And again join this, again join this to the intersection point. Up to the intersection point. So in this way, draw the M and W. See the problem number 3. Draw two figures of same shape and size given below and show two different types of dimensioning system in it. Achha. So there will be same figure. You have to draw. One is the aligned system, the unidirectional. Basically, you see, if you see the figure, you see basically the two dimensioning system. Okay. So basically, all dimension is given. So first, what will you do? You draw a center line. So first you draw the central line and you see all measurement is given. Okay. So from this you get you have to draw two similar in same dimension as given. Then you have to given the dimension, because it is basically the give the dimension two dimension. One is the aligned system, unidirectional system. Basically it's clear the concept of the giving the dimension system. So I do the problem later. First we do the problem 4 and 5. Okay. So in fourth problem number, you see a room of building of 1000 meter cube volume is represented by similar block 125 centimeter cube volume. So means there will be a room, its volume will be, actual volume will be 1000 meter cube, and it's when you draw the room, its drawing volume will be 125 centimeter. So first we calculate the RF. So what is the RF? RF equals to, this is, we know, this is the length of the drawing divided by length of the actual size. Length of the drawing length divided by actual length. So here it is basically the volume is given. So here we, if we consider the cube root of, the length of the drawing will be 125 centimeter cube. Okay. And length of the actual drawing will be, volume will be 1000 meter cube. So this is equals to 5 centimeter divided by 10 meter equals to 5 centimeter divided by 10 into 100 centimeter. So the RF equals to 1 by 200. Okay. Next, construct a plane scale to measure up to 30 meter and measure a distance 20 meter. So maximum length. So maximum length equals to, it is given. Okay. So maximum length equals to 30 meter. So what is the drawing length? So the drawing length of the scale equals to So this is RF into the maximum length. So this is equals to RF cross maximum length of the scale. Of the scale. So this is equals to 1 by this is equals to 1 by 200 into this is 30 meter. So convert to the millimeter. So this is 30 into 1000. So if it is comes as, so this will be the 150 millimeter. So means here the 30 meter length of the scale means when you draw a line 150 millimeter, this is represented as 30 meter scale. Okay, because you find out the RF, from this you find out the maximum length, from this you get the what is the drawing length of the scale. This will be the 150 millimeter. So means if you draw a line 150 millimeter, so suppose if you draw a line, so this is 150 millimeter. Okay, so this 150 millimeter represent as 0 to 30 meter. So this length will be 150 millimeter, and so this will be the 0 and this will be the 30 meter. Okay, so this is the 0 to 30 meter scale. Okay, now what we'll do, now we draw a line 150 millimeter first, horizontal line 150 millimeter. Okay, and we take 10 millimeter thickness, we take 20 millimeter thickness both sides and draw the complete rectangle, because this is basically the thickness of the scale. So because in your problem the thickness of the scale is not given, so we just take as thickness will be 20 millimeter or 30 millimeter, any one. Okay, now here you have to measure 24 meter. So this is basically the 0 and this is 30 meter. So now if we divide it 3 equal parts, each part will be 10 meter. So because 150 millimeter, so if we divide 3 equal parts, this is each part will be 50 millimeter. So take 50 millimeter measurement by scale and we get 3 equal divide. Okay. So this will be the, so this will be the, we take this representation, this is 10. This is 0. This is again 10. This is 20. Okay. So this will be the scale. Okay. Now here you have to measure 24 meters. So you get 20 meters. So for 4 meter, you divide this left part again 10 equal parts. So in 10 equal parts, so this is the suppose 5. So this is 50 millimeter. So if you divide 10 equal parts, so each part will be 5 millimeter. So here you suppose this is 1, this is 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And this will be must be some height. So this is represented as 5. So this is the 5 meter. So here you have to measure the 24 meter. So at this point, from the 4, we draw a vertical line. At 20, we draw a vertical line. And here we draw this is basically the extension line. Now we draw the dimension line. And we draw the arrowhead. We here also draw a arrowhead. And here we write this is 24 meter. Yeah, so this is about the plane scale. Okay, so first you have to find out the RF, then find out what will be the maximum length of the drawing or maximum length of the scale, then find out the drawing length. Means this represents 0 to 30. So basically, from 0 to 30 is represent, this is 150 millimeters line will be represent 30 meter. So what we'll do, first we draw a horizontal line 150 millimeter, then we take some thickness of the scale. So this we take in 30 millimeter or 20 millimeter, anything. Then we draw the complete rectangle. Here you have to measure 24 meters. So we divide the scale in 3 equal parts. So each part will be 10 meter. And if we divide 159, so each part will be means actually when you draw, this is not the actual 10 meter. This is basically the 50 millimeter. From 10 to 20, 50 millimeter, 0 to 10 again 50 millimeter, 0 to 10 here also 50 millimeter. Okay. Now you have to measure 24 meters. So 0 to 10, 50 millimeter. This is, you have to divide again 10 equal parts. So each part will be the 5 millimeter. So this represent, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So from this is 0 to 20, 20 plus 4 meter. So this length will be represented 24 meter. Okay, so this is the problem number 4. So in problem number 5, a car is running at a speed of 54 km per hour. Construct a diagonal scale to show 1 km by 4 cm and to measure up to 5 km. Mark also on the scale the distance covered by the car in 3.5 minutes. Okay. So here also first we find out the RF. So RF equals to, here it is the construct a diagonal scale to show 1 km by 4 cm. Mean 4 cm line represent as 1 km. So what will be the drawing length here? Drawing length will be the 4 cm. And length of the actual length of the line will be 1 km. Okay. So this is equals to 4 cm divided by, so this is 1 into 1000 meter into 1000 millimeter into 100 centimeter, sorry. So this is 1 kilometer, so 1000 meter into 100 centimeter. So this will be comes as 1 by 25,000. Okay, this is comes as 1 by 25,000. Now the speed of the car. So the speed of the car equals to given 54 kilometer per hour. And
मेरे मोबाइल में कट जा रहा है.
The speed of the car is given 54 kilometer per hour. And the maximum length of the scale equals to this is 5 kilometer. And so drawing length of the scale this is equals to, this is 1 by 25,000. This is 1 by 25,000 into 5 kilometer into 1000. So this is meter, convert to the meter, into 1000. So this is convert to the millimeter. So it is comes at 200 millimeter. So first there will be 5 kilometer. So the scale will be 1 by 25,000. So 5 kilometer into 1000, this is 5 meter. Again 1000, this is millimeter. It is comes as 200 millimeter. Okay. Now you have to measure the distance covered by the car in 3.5 minutes. So the distance covered by the car in 3.5 minutes. This is equals to, so the speed of the car is 54 kilometer per hour. So this is 54 by 60 into 3.5 minutes, because this minute is given and the speed is given kilometer per hour. So distance covered by the car in 3.5, 54 by 60 into 3.5. So this should become as 3.15 kilometers. So mean in the scale you have to measure 3.15 kilometers. Okay. Length of the scale is 5 kilometers. So first you draw a 200 millimeter line. So first you draw a 200 millimeter line. Okay. Okay. Then on the height, draw a 50 millimeter length. And complete the rectangle. Okay. So this distance will be 200 millimeter and height will be the 50 millimeter. Okay. Now, so we divide it 5 equal parts. Okay. So each part will be the 40 millimeter. 5 equal parts. So each part will be the 40 millimeter. So this is take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 10. So this is the kilometer represent, and this is the hectometer represent. And here we also in this direction 10 decameter. The decameter represent in this direction. Okay. So first we divide the total length in 5 equal parts. So each part will be the 40 millimeter. Again we divide this part, left part, again 10 millimeter, 10 equal parts. So each part will be the 4 millimeter. And both upper side and lower side we divide. So this is the similarly here also. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Similarly here also you divide 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. And also divide also 10 equal parts, this part also. Okay. Now, so first 0 in 1, then 1 with 2, then 2 with 3, then 3 with 4, then 4 with 5, then 5 with 6, then 6 with 7, then 7 with 8, then 8 with 9, and 9 with 10. And here also draw the straight line each point. And both sides you divide 10 equal parts for vertical line. So Now you measure 3.15. So how can you measure? So from 0 to 3, so this is up to this is 3 to 0, then 1 on this 1 hectometer, then 5 decameter, 1 2 3 4 5. So 1, then 1 1 2 3 4 5. So from this 5 you draw a vertical line, and at 3 you draw a vertical line, you get the 3.15. Like this. This is 3.15 kilometer. And if you measure suppose 2 point or 4 point anything, so first you measure the kilometer, then in this direction what will be the point? Suppose you measure the 2.56 kilometer. So from 0 to 2 kilometer, then 5. So this is the 5 point, then measure 6 on this slant line. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So from this you get the draw a vertical line, and from to get 2.56 kilometer. So in this way you can measure this.